Hey George, it's Josh Betzel. Thanks for your time today and appreciate you clicking on this video. I'm just going to be briefly showing you 3 things I found on your website that you can fix pretty easily to start bringing in a ton more customers. And I know you're probably wondering, Josh, why are you making this video for me? Well, I know most of the time, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to getting help from someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So what I actually started doing was giving away these attack plans for free. Some people call me back, some people don't. Doesn't really matter to me. I'm just trying to educate as many business owners as I can. The main 3 things that we're going to be going over today is content, backlinks, and citations. And before I get into all that, I really want to just compliment you on your site. I really like the way it's laid out. I like how you have the tabs up here and everything's not messy. It's just more organized. Pictures are pretty high quality, and it looks like you got a little bit of content on there. So it looks like a pretty good site, man. But when I'm talking about content, I'm not talking about just the amount of words on your page. I'm talking about what type of words you're using. So what we really want to be at, especially for this homepage, is about 1,500 words. And when I plugged you up on the word counter, you came up to 377 words on your homepage. Your competition actually came up to 979 on their homepage. Competition is superior fence and rail. This is the reason why. So when you type in fence installation, Pensacola, Florida, Superior Fence and Rail is in number 1. And then you have your second competition, A1 Hurricane. But for now, Superior Fence and Rail is your competition. They have 979 words. All right. So what are these keywords I'm talking about that you want to be crawled for? So the idea behind a lot of content is you want Google to be crawling all your content looking for buyer intent keywords. So what are these buyer intent keywords? So I'm going to go over here to my Ahrefs tool, and we'll go over Ahrefs in a second. But just for the time being, I'll show you what keywords I'm talking about. Fence Company Pensacola, 350 search volume, 8 KD. Fence Pensacola, 200 searches a month. Fence Company Pensacola, Florida, 80 searches. Fencing Pensacola, Florida, 100 searches a month. All right, so these are all words that you could be ranking for that in all these eyes searching a month could be directed to your website. All right, so that's what I mean about content. Another thing is that you can actually hide keywords and pictures. So when you do like save as, save image as, it should pull up to, so it's like 0_0. It should be saved under a keyword like wood fence Pensacola, Florida, or vinyl fence Pensacola, Florida, something like that. All right. So the second thing I want to get into is backlinks, and then that brings me to my tool called Ahrefs. Ahrefs, I will say, is a paid tool. You can use other tools that are free, like SEMrush, SEO Quake, etc. Those are a couple. I just like to use Ahrefs because it's the most accurate, and well, I'm a digital marketer, so I need it. All right. So when I'm talking about backlinks, what is a backlink? A backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. These links, they act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. It's literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most wins from the people gets the win in the number 1 spot. All right. However, not all links are created equal, so it's worth noting the relevancy. You need relevant backlinks pointing to you guys. So you come up with 3 referring domains, 6 backlinks, 1 organic keyword, and 0 organic traffic. Your competition, Superior Fence and Rail, when I go back to their overview, they have, I think it's 7, 6 maybe, if it'll load. All right, let's see. Yeah, 7 referring domains and 11 backlinks. All right, so they're beating you there. But when you're adding backlinks and guest posts and citations such to your website, you got to make sure they're relevant. And the best example I could give about that is, would you rather be on the cover of Fence Magazine USA, or would you rather be on the cover of Best Pizza USA? Fence Magazine, 100%, because you have nothing to do with pizzas, right? All right. So now we're going to go over to citations, and citations is actually how you get ranked in this map pack here. Okay. So citation is anything that we call a NAP, a name, address, or phone number. All right. So citations include directories like Yelp, Angie's List, Expertise, Triple B, hundreds of others you may have heard of. Social media accounts are great too. The idea with citations is that your brand is beginning to be found by Google all over the internet. So the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. Once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is that you'll rank above them. All right. So where you really want to be is at least 200 citations for this map pack. Okay. So just to go back over the 3 things we went over today. So first thing is content. So you guys need more content, and you need more keywords with implemented in your content, and save these images with keyword intent, high search volume ones. All right. Just like we talked about earlier. Second thing was backlinks. So you guys not only need more backlinks, but you need more relevant sites pointing to you guys to show Google that you are the authority. You deserve that number 1 spot. All right, and the third thing was citations. So citations, how you get in ranked in the map pack. You need about 200 to 300 of these bad boys, okay? And I really just want to do some quick math with you. It's organic traffic. I don't know why it's taking so long to load right now. But organic traffic, they're at around 250. Okay, so 250 organic traffic. Let's say they go on the low ball number, and I mean very low ball number of closing just 10% of that a month. Okay, so you're looking at what, 20, 25 extra a month. Clients charge what you charge for fences. You talk about some pretty big money, pretty big bang for your buck. All right. So I hope this was able to give you a little bit of a different perspective on the on your website and what you could be doing. And my doors are always open. Like I said, my name is Josh. My number is 904-383-8479. I look forward to hearing from you, and have a great day, George.